Today is the last day that we're doing a clean in 2020. And I want to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to all our letting agents, relocation teams, tenants, landlords, and all the people that have used our services. We're so grateful, and we hope New Year will be spectacular. What do you think?
So, on behalf of the Robo team, we say a happy New Year to our numerous customers. Thank you for using our services.
I'm not saying thank you alone, and I'm not saying a happy new year. I'm saying a better new year 2021. And I will not forget the back room staff and all the people that are dealing with our website, the marketing team, sales team, everybody, all the cleaners. You make the company go round. So I say thank you all and a happy new year.
Merci beaucoup.